Hey, Artie, I've watched you buy and sell a lot of Ferraris over the years at auctions. And I thought last year I saw you buy a GTC 4 at auction, but it was a red one. So do you have two of them now?
No, Keith. Just the same red car is now blue. Contacted Marcel Marcini over in Switzerland to find out the original birth certificate on the car, so to speak, and found out it was originally a blue car, blue Rabot over beige Connolly leather. So we decided to strip the car down to bare metal and bring it back to its original state.
What made you decide to do that to this car?
You know what? It's such a limited production car, 505 examples made, and really believe that bringing these cars back to their original state and making them as nice as they could possibly be is an important part of this business.
And I got a chance to ride around on a Daytona yesterday, and this is a similar drivetrain.
Similar drivetrain, add power steering, add air conditioning, and to me it's a much more drivable, much more enjoyable car on the road.
Have you had the car judged?
As a matter of fact, we did. We took the car to Cavallino, which is Ferrari's biggest event, where we received a Platinum Award, indicating the highest level of restoration you can get on a Ferrari.
And you know what? I looked the car over, and I really do agree with the Platinum status. I mean, everything on it is absolutely impeccable. When I have the nitpick, you know, original glass on here, it's a little bit faded, but even with that, and that's me being, you know, a stickler, I'm going to give this a beautiful solid 1.
Collectability. Now, this may be a better car to drive than a Daytona, but it doesn't mean it's more collectible than a Daytona. If a Daytona is an A, this car can't quite be there, so I'm going to give it a B.
You know, I'm interested to see with the condition at a 1, how much are you going to price this car at auction? What do you think it's going to get?
Well, the car's running no reserve, so we're going to leave it. We're going to leave it in the hands of the collectors. My guess is the car's going to do right around $300,000.
What about you, Keith? What do you think?
Well, I think you're rolling the dice, aren't you? Bringing it no reserve. So
Absolutely.
whoever the last man standing is going to get the car. You know, I think you're a little light. Daytona is 650, 7. You hear stories of more. I think they're pulling up the C4s. I think you're going to go home with 3 1/4.
Well, I hope you're right, Keith.
All right.
Good luck, buddy.
Thank you.